G'day everyone, the beast is looking a bit dirty, so what I thought I'd do today is give it a bath. I'm going to be hitting it with some Yamalube Care products, their cleaning gel, and I'll also give it a bit of parts cleaner on it as well. If you're washing your bike on the grass like I am, make sure you put a piece of wood or a tile or something under your stand. You don't want to turn around to grab something and turn back and your bike's on its side. While you can use the Yamalube cleaning gel straight on the bike while it's dry, I like to give the bike a bit of a wet over first with the gun. Just to make sure any surface dirt, anything like that, the easy stuff comes off, then we'll hit it with the cleaning gel. So once you've washed the bike, and don't be afraid to wet the bike all over, it's not a sugar cube. Get the Yamalube cleaning gel, just give the bike a good bath in it, cover everything. So we're going to get the parts clean, we're going to do things like the cat, the wheels, around the sprocket, just the real grimy areas. When you do this part, it's good to have a rag just in case you get any grimy bits that you're going to wipe while you're doing it. So you're giving the bike a good dousing with both of those products. Grab the gun, be very liberal with the water when you're washing it over. You want to get all that product off. Chamois down the bike after you've washed it, stops it looking all streaky once the water dries on it. The other thing is take the bike for a quick spin, have yourself some chain lubricant. I use the Yamalube Chain Lubricant here. Here she is, looking like $1 million again, like it's just rolled off of the production line. The only thing left to do now is get your gear on, go for a ride, enjoy the two-wheeled life.